Somebody got it all organized. We're all on canvas now, tarps. It's all organized, cleaned up. OMG.
Yeah. Organize it so it will be easier for us to get the stuff.
Yeah, we got lots of wood. We gotta go get more wood today. One more tree and we'll have enough wood today for a few days. We got lots of wood though anyway. It's cold up here. She's cold up here, so we gotta have fire.
Oh, we need to.
Huh. That's our view out of our tent. Got a nice view. Still see my breath. Still cold enough to see my breath though. I'm gonna walk up here and look at a tree. I'll be back. Go look at a tree I want to might cut down for firewood. There's a dead one right up in here somewhere. Seemed pretty close to camp. Sun's coming out. She'll warm up a little. Then we'll take off on a hike and go fishing. Go fishing somewhere. Yeah, that's too big. That one's dead, but that one's too big. I want a big tree. There's a dead one there. That's really dead too. That's not too big. Right up here, huh? There's a dead one right there. Now it's a nice dead one. There's a little chunk right there off of that one I can get. But that dead one right there would give us quite a bit of firewood. That little chunk there. Maybe I'll fire up the chainsaw this morning and cut out here. It's beautiful here. There's a really dead one right up here. Let's go look at it for sure. If that one's dead, that's perfect size for us, and that'd give us enough wood for 4 or 5 days. Not sure how long we'll be in here. I guess until we run out of food and can't catch no more fish. I don't know. It's a nice dead one right there. 2 of them, but I want that one right out there. Second one. That's what I want. Now we're nice and dead all the way up. And pretty close to camp, so it's not going to be a real problem. There's another dead one there though. Jesus, there's a lot of dead trees in here for firewood. That one's a good tree right there to fall and cut up for camp wood. There's another one right there. It's completely dead. We can cut for camp wood right there if we need it. It's close. We don't have to drive. Won't take too much. Cut it in big chunks and haul it down there. Another dead one there. They're close. So that's what I'll do. I'll cut these up in here first. I like that one. That's a nice tree. I think I'll cut that one down, maybe that one down, maybe that one down, and maybe that one down. I don't know. But they're close enough to haul, drag, whatever down to camp. So I shall proceed in the firewood thing this morning. Not very much wildlife out here today. It's still cold. Birds are just now coming out because the sun's coming out. So birds are just now starting to come out a little bit. No squirrels to look at and see yet. That's kind of odd. Really odd there's no squirrels out running around here yet. Pretty strange. Well, plenty of firewood really close here. We don't have to drive. We don't have to go nowhere. Just cut them down. Trying to get the wife done, get the dishes done so we can go fishing. I want to go fishing. Put the gun on, make sure we take a gun with us in case we run into something undesirables. And go fishing. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Kind of a nice walk in trees here. Make our way back down to camp. Not very far away. All I can say though is, till next time, stay cool, stay sexy.